बलाई हो, लालच न करी ह भैया, लालच बुरी बलाई हो, लालच न करी ह भैया.
Really, there is no vice like avarice, and a person who has avarice, he is never satisfied, and he feels problem in his life. In your book, there is a story, and the name of the story is No Vice Like Avarice. Today we will read the story No Vice Like Avarice. There was a fisherman. His name was Babulal. He was very poor. He used to catch fish and sell in the market. This was the only source of livelihood for his family. He was poor but gentle and honest. On the other hand, his wife was very greedy. Once Babulal could not catch even a single fish, so he was sad. Anyhow, he could catch one fish in the evening. It was a very big fish. It said to fisherman, I am the queen of all the fishes here. Please don't kill me. The fisherman said, I can't leave. If I leave you, there will be nothing to eat for me and my family. The fish said, Please don't kill me. I will fulfill all your needs. The fisherman Babulal threw the fish into the river and he came back with empty hand. He told his wife about this occurrence. She became very angry, but when Babulal told her that the fish could give anything she wanted, she became quiet. She told her husband, Go to the fish and ask for a house as we are in need of a house. The next day, Babulal went to the river and said to the fish, We are poor and have no house to live in. Please give us a big house. The fish said, Go home and you will find a new big house. When Babulal reached home, he was surprised and pleased to see a big and beautiful house in place of very poor hut. His wife was very delighted. After some days, Babulal's wife said to her husband, I want a bigger house with more money. Please go to the fish. Babulal again went to the fish and said, We want a bigger house with lots of money. The fish said, Go back home and you will find a bigger house with lot of money. When the fisherman returned his home, he found a bigger house with lots of money, as the queen fish said. The fisherman and his family became very happy. They became rich. Some months passed away. Babulal's wife was very greedy. She wanted more money and the largest house. So she again said to her husband, Please go once again for more money, jewels, and the biggest house. The fisherman said to his wife, Now we have everything, so we must not be greedy. His wife became sad and angry at this. So the fisherman had to go to the queen fish again unwillingly. The queen fish found the fisherman sad. He asked the reason. The fisherman told everything. The queen fish said, Your wife is very greedy. She can never be happy. Go home, do hard labor, and you will be happy. The fisherman came back. He saw that there was only a hut in place of a beautiful house. His wife was crying. Now all the family members were sad. Now Babulal with his family began to do hard labor. Soon again they became rich and happy. It is rightly said, no bhais like ever. In Hindi also it is said, साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुम समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साधुन भूखा जाए. It means we should have only that much money which is needed. If we have more than need, that time it creates problem, as it created problem in the life of Babulal. Babulal's wife was not satisfied, and due to her avarice or her greed, she again became poor, and after hard labor, they became rich and happy. So, if you want to get success in your life, if you want to be happy in your life, that time you should labor hard. That is the best source of happiness. Thank you. Have a nice day.